Hello and thank you for joining us for this Odoo interview. I'm here with Ronnie
O'Neill.
I'm sorry. From Everteam. And you're here to talk about your company. So you're a partner of Odoo. When was the company created?
Yeah, the company was created in 1990. It's been a long time now. And what we have been doing since then is really helping our customers in their digital transformation. We started specifically in the enterprise content management, and then we also help them in how they can secure and make sure of the governance of their data, and lately even being, for example, GRDP compliant. We also helped our company within that same journey of digital transformation into helping them automate any business processes that are vital to that transformation, how to also use their big data, how to try to extract intelligence and value out of that data for for these large enterprises, and of course lately by using additional technologies like artificial intelligence, like machine learning. So this has been the core of our our expertise with our customers, and this is why lately, and in order also to find additional areas of growth, we have seen that the business management part or a thorough business management digitalization is very important to the digital transformation of these companies, and this is where we have even decided to go with Odoo.
When did you start using Odoo?
It started 1 year ago.
Okay, so you're a new partner.
But we aim to go fast and big, hopefully. So in less than 1 year, actually, we achieved the gold status.
That's great. And congratulations.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your support. But this is also the very first step, and we want to continue vertically and even horizontally in that partnership.
Where are you located? Do you have a head office?
Yeah, the company started out of France, but now it really went international. So we have offices in France and presence. We also cover the whole of the Middle East and Africa, mainly the French-speaking part of Africa. Also, we're trying again to go also in the United States.
Okay, so you're scaling up everywhere.
Yeah.
Are you growing the company as well? Like, are you hiring people and stuff?
Yes,
like that? Did you grow a lot?
Yeah, we are growing the company, and we went now up to 900 satisfied employees. 300 out of them are mainly in the services part of, or the services arm of the company.
Oh, congratulations! That's very high.
Thank you.
Do you focus on a specific type of industries or a specific sector?
Yeah, our sector has been by default medium to large enterprises.
Okay,
and this is where we have we have relationship with very large enterprises that dates now for years. And again, when it comes to do complicated and complex stuff in their digital transformation, we have proven time and time again to be their partner of choice. So large and middle enterprise, sized enterprises.
Okay.
And this is also where we're trying to complement Odoo's strategy, and even to propose Odoo as a business management software to a part or full need for these customers.
But you don't have you don't just do like manufacturing or services. You do all over.
Mainly it has been banking, insurance, finance.
Okay.
Large manufacturers and government agencies and ministries.
Okay.
So this is
big companies.
Exactly, big companies. Yes.
With lots of demands.
With a lot of needs.
Yeah.
A lot of needs and a lot of objectives. Yeah.
Do you have a usual implementation methodology that you do, or is it like each time you change depending on the customer?
Yeah, of course it has to be versatile, but okay, I'm not gonna talk about the project management and these details that the team does, but mainly our strategy is that first we listen, then we listen, and then we listen again to the customer. We understand the need, we propose the solution, and for example, when it comes to the Odoo solution, because of their size so there is always a need for tweaking and even maybe customization and development. So we do that, we deliver, we make sure that the customer is happy, and then we rinse and we repeat for other modules or for other needs.
Yeah. Do you do a lot of customization? What, like in your average client, do they use a lot of Odoo standard and a lot of customization?
We try, of course, to make it as close to the standard as possible. But again,
I'm sure that if you have
especially for large enterprises, customization is something that we face a lot of time. And here, actually, I wanted to open a parenthesis and that when we decided 1 year ago, for example, to go into the business management solutions, so why we chose Odoo, and this is because again we found really that that we share the same vision and the same strategy for Odoo. In what sense? We found Odoo first very beautiful.
Thank you.
And at the same time simple at the front end. Beautiful, simple, exactly, easy to use, simple, easy to use for the users, and even adaptable for the business leaders and for the administrators and even for the developers, while at the same time being very powerful and even intelligent at the back end. So this balance, Odoo has been able to strike it over and over again, and this balance is extremely powerful. Not only powerful and intelligent on the back end, but also we found it like thorough and encompassing, always trying to be one step ahead of the needs of the users and the business leaders. And this, we saw it, it's like simple and smart makes perfect. And this is where even was our decision to partner with Odoo in that new channel of growth that we are opening, and we already opened, and we're gonna keep on opening in the market.
You're using Odoo as well in your own company?
Yes, we did, and this is even how we started.
So that's often what happens.
Exactly. So we are using it as our CRM tool, and I use it personally, and even I tweaked it for my for the needs of my and the sales team. For example, we use the marketing, the help desk, and even our website is built on Odoo.
That's great.
And beside that, we definitely have a lot of Odoo modules for the team to train, to develop, and to test.
That's awesome. And what do you like about being a partner? I know it's kind of recent. It's your first year here. It's your first year at the Odoo Experience, or did you come last year?
No, it is my
your first year.
Yeah.
What do you like about the partnership program? Like, do you have a favorite thing?
Yeah. What I like is that it's very clear. Again, simple but clear. And for example, what we are benefiting from this Odoo experience, and it's actually called experience for the right reason. We are able to listen to the strategy, to share the vision, to share the experience and the learning, and most importantly, community is at the heart of Odoo philosophy and Odoo strategy. And at this 2 days, we are feeling the community, the interaction, and this is very, very and extremely important. The narrow collaboration between our teams and even your account managers and your teams, this is what's making it a real community-like approach, and this is what we like
think it's important that to keep everyone involved and to grow together.
It is, and this is what this event is. The Odoo Experience is about to show how the community, what it can do and how powerful it can be. And
how involved you can be with us.
We are, definitely, yeah.
So did you like the event?
Yes.
It's your first time?
Yes.
It's a little bit cold this year, but
we haven't felt the coldness actually yet. It's sunny.
Today it's a little bit better than yesterday.
Yeah.
Did you stay yesterday night?
Yes, we did.
Yeah?
We did. We tried the Belgian beer. So.
Don't be careful because they are quite strong.
We were careful, exactly.
Do you have a fun anecdote about one of your implementation, for example?
No, actually, not about our implementation. But,
a story that you want to tell.
Okay, in this case, I have to go out of the business part of it. And when I was coming here, very quickly, So my wife asked me, where are you going? And I told her Odoo, and what is that? And then I tried to show something and explain, and then we said, oh, it's very nice, it's simple. Can we use it for the families? So we gathered the little daughters, and then we were trying to come up with ideas. We haven't get there yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, this was the fun part, and I'm sure that the girls sooner or later they're gonna even get through Odoo in their school and even in their university because of your e-learning program.
Yeah.
So
yeah, my team, the marketing team, build their learning.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of it. But we also have like a business game. I don't know if you saw Scale Up.
Yeah, I've seen
it. I think it's really good. And one of the partners, Camp to Camp, is also doing a business game that is quite interesting. So I'm happy you like it. Yeah. But actually, on the fact of using Odoo for your house, we have a colleague that built everything in his house is linked to Odoo, so he sees his water consumption, his electricity, everything goes through Odoo, and he sees like in a big dashboard that he built himself. So you could do the same.
No doubt about that, and maybe an agenda and a calendar for the family.
So for example, he sees if like the washing machine was used today, something like that. So
okay,
that's fun.
All right.
If you want to push for that.
I'll try that.
But anyway, if you don't have any more questions.
No, I thank you very much.
Thank you for your time, Ronnie. I'm really happy that you're here.
Okay, me too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.